Title: Understanding Conics. The mathematics behind parabolas, hyperbolas, and ellipses. Introduction. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel where we explore various topics in math. Today, we will be talking about conics, a type of geometric figure that you might have encountered in your math class. We'll be discussing the different types of conics, namely parabolas, hyperbolas, and ellipses. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the mathematics behind these fascinating shapes. Body. Part 1. What are conics? Conics are a type of geometric figure that results from the intersection of a plane and a cone. When the plane is parallel to the base of the cone, we get a circle. When the plane intersects the cone at an angle, we get an ellipse, hyperbola, or parabola. Part 2. The parabola. Let's start with the parabola. A parabola is a symmetrical curve that opens either upwards or downwards. The shape of a parabola is determined by its focus and directrix. The focus is a fixed point on the plane, and the directrix is a straight line. A parabola is defined as the set of points that are equidistant from the focus and the directrix. In other words, if you take any point on the parabola and measure its distance to the focus and the directrix, they will be equal. Part 3. The ellipse. Next up is the ellipse. An ellipse is a closed curve that looks like a stretched-out circle. The shape of an ellipse is determined by its two foci and its major and minor axes. An ellipse is defined as the set of points where the sum of the distances from the two foci is constant. The major axis is the longest diameter of the ellipse, and the minor axis is the shortest diameter. The distance between the center of the ellipse and either focus is half the length of the major axis. Part 4. The hyperbola. Finally, we have the hyperbola. A hyperbola is a curve that looks like two separate, mirror image parabolas. The shape of a hyperbola is determined by its two foci and its transverse and conjugate axes. A hyperbola is defined as the set of points where the difference between the distances from the two foci is constant.